Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we feature a 2015 launch from Tag Heuer in collaboration with David Guetta. This is the David Guetta Tag Heuer Formula 1, or the Tag Heuer Formula 1 David Guetta Edition. So it features a titanium carbide coated steel case, a signature black and blue elements, a bund style strap, and the Formula 1 here is a GMT, so it has that functionality as well. Now in terms of size, the case is 43 millimeters in diameter, just the case without the bund strap. It's 12.6 millimeters thick. With the bund strap, it's going to be 15.1 thick. Lug to lug, it is going to be 48.1 with a 21 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Now we'll throw this watch on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, and I'll admit it's a little bit difficult to simulate this without strapping it down completely, but the bund strap, the idea always being for high-flying aviators to avoid conducting extremes of temperature, very high and very low, to the skin. So between the metal of the watch and the flesh of the pilot, you have that bund style strap for protection. So that's the idea there. Now it is a large watch, and I would recommend that if you're going to wear it on this bund strap, you have a wrist my size or larger, so 16 centimeters circumference and up. And in fact, as a fairly large watch, I'd recommend that even on a standard strap, you wear this on a 16 centimeter circumference and up wrist. I'll also demonstrate how it appears when it is not on the bund style strap. You can pretty easily convert it into a more conventional timepiece, just like that. See how that works? And if you wish, you could then pull everything through and you'd wind up with a watch that wears like this. Again, I still think 16 centimeter circumference wrist and up. We've got these lovely little rivet style skeuomorphic elements. What they really help to do is they help to anchor the strap against pulling through these little loops. You can see there's nothing to see inside of the bund. The watch does feature 2 time zones, but don't be deceived by the black and blue bezel. It does not turn. It looks like it might. It even has knurling to suggest it's mobile. It is all an illusion. So you've got 2 different time zones. You can see we've got one hand that moves in a 24-hour sweep, and then we've got local time that moves in 12-hour sections. We also have a seconds hand with the Tag Heuer logo. Now we have a full stop seconds function, so hacking. We also have the ability to move the 24-hour hand independently, and then you retain a traditional quick set for the date, which is not common on GMT-style watches, particularly those that use a Rolex-style system. You can see the applique polished indices here on a matte black dial, and inside we have an ETA base, 21 joules, automatic, 46-hour power reserve, 4 hertz beat rate, a dual time zone, and the quick set functionality. On the reverse of the case, I guess we'll pull the bund strap one more time. You can see that it mentions this is the David Guetta Edition, just like that, and it is the Formula 1, so you have this racing-inspired checkered flag motif, brushed and media blasted here. A watch that is 200 meters water-resistant, and a lovely piece that is also remarkably scratch resistant. That titanium carbide is super hard, and you can see despite the fact that this model launched in 2015, it remains largely unmarred, so I'm a believer in this particular surface treatment. It's also got a nice weight to it as a steel watch. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. We're not quite done. We got one more. As you can see, the second time zone is a slightly different luminescent color than the remainder of the dial.